Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Diggings to Beholder's Hollow, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Argo, Fate, Ideal, and Wacker around 6:25 p.m. 1. Fairhaven, Chadwick, Apple River, Joe Davies County Fairgrounds and Apple River Canyon State Park around 6:30 p.m. Granite, Milledgeville, and Carroll County Fairgrounds around 6:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Winslow and It. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and northeastern and east central Iowa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and northeastern and east central Iowa. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has